I love autumn. I just love it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a cozy few days in my life embracing the autumn season. Grab something cozy to eat or drink. First up, we are at a pumpkin patch, and this is upstate New York in Albany. This is a cute little farm, and these are fairy tale pumpkins. They're so pretty. So there's really light green type of pumpkin pastels, just very my aesthetic, to be honest. I adore these so much. I also had some pumpkin pie ice cream. This was so yummy. It tasted exactly like pumpkin pie. I love visiting places that have that whole autumn and fall experience because this is my favorite time of the year, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you. Mums are definitely the flower of fall, and they had such pretty pink ones. You guys know I'm such a pink girly, and I had to share these with you. I think that these look so amazing outside of your porch. They will definitely make you smile every time you see it, and these were some of the regular pumpkins that they had. So next up, we'll be going apple picking. I've never went apple picking in this whole official capacity before. I've picked apples from trees, but not at a farm like this where there were literally hundreds and hundreds of apple trees, and you got to sit on a little truck like this and they take you through the fields and fields of apple trees. I had no idea there were this many types of different apples. They actually give you a list of apple trees that they have, so you can kind of look to see where each tree is. And they also color coded the trees with different ribbons. So for instance, if you were looking for autumn crisp apples, you would go to the trees with the orange ribbons on it. I honestly could not have asked for a more perfect day. The weather was absolutely stunning, and mind you, it was supposed to rain on this day, and for some reason, which I'm so grateful for, it was absolutely the prettiest weather. It literally looked as if it was something from a fairy tale, honestly. There was also this beautiful sunflower field, but I think a lot of the flowers were kind of dying at this point, but I did find a cute little bunch across here, so I wanted to share it with you. Okay, it is time to head across to Trader Joe's, and I have been eyeing some yummy fall themed items that I absolutely cannot wait to get. I also wanted to share with you a little view of what was inside of the store, so I'm going to pick up some fall themed items so you can see, and after I will show you what items I did actually pick up. Hello you guys, so I wanted to share with you some fall items that I picked up from Trader Joe's. I've had my eye on these for so long, and okay, I'm so excited. It's just a few things, but it's a few things that I have been just obsessed with and wanting to try. First up, it is this pumpkin shaped sugar cookie dough. You probably would have seen this everywhere on TikTok, just everywhere. I'm not even on TikTok, but I've seen these just over the years and I've always wanted to try it. She's going by a candle, but she knows not to go by candles. But anyway, I can't wait to try it and see how it goes. And it's already like cut, so all you do is just lay it out, and it's supposed to be so easy to make. And I feel like if I'm not somebody who loves to bake, I love shortcuts when baking, and this is like the perfect shortcut for me. I also picked up the honey roasted pumpkin ravioli, and the colors of this are to die for. It is this really vivid orange and yellow, and it has cheese inside of it and just a pumpkin filling, and this looks so yummy. It's so simple to make. You just boil it and then add some sauce. And speaking about sauce, I literally picked up the biggest bottle of the autumnal harvest creamy pasta sauce, and it is made with pumpkin and butter squash. Look how yummy this looks, and I just plan on making it with all of the pasta that I got. Another pasta that I actually picked up is the fall zucchini pasta butternut squash, and it has the prettiest pumpkin shapes. So I am automatically obsessed with these, so I absolutely cannot wait to make some pasta with my pumpkin pasta sauce and just everything like that. And I have been obsessed with pumpkin shaped pasta. As soon as I saw it, I would just snag one of these, which I did. I also picked up the chocolate mousse pumpkins. This is actually empty right now because my friends came over and I shared with them. But how cute is this? And the stem is a little pumpkin seed, which I thought was so cute. And it tastes absolutely amazing as well. If you have been thinking about getting this, or if you've seen it anywhere, I definitely recommend it. It is such like a perfect little snack to munch on. You just need one of it and it cures that chocolate craving. If you know, you know. And the last up, I picked up these corn tortilla chips in the prettiest leaf shapes. I think that this is so pretty. It's so colorful. It is literally perfect for the season, and I'm somebody who truly loves to embrace every aspect of the fall season. Hi Lola, you want to say hello? I just love all things fall. You guys know this is my favorite season of the year, so just having all of these things make me feel so happy. So I'm not even gonna pretend, but I did burn these. I did overcook them. They cooked really quickly, and I do use a toaster oven, not an oven. So I think the toaster oven really just went a lot quicker than the 10 minutes that I'm supposed to have left them in. But that is okay because I did have leftovers, so I will try making this again. Regardless, it still tasted really nice, just a little bit crunchy. I really did enjoy having this set up, all of my fall decor, which I've also showed you in a previous video that I can go ahead and link in so you can check it out. I made the cookies, I made some yummy pumpkin spice hot cocoa, and I'm cozying up and reading a book. I think this is just something so peaceful and something that you can look forward to at the end of every day for this season, and just really take time for yourself and to embrace and romanticize this time of year. One of the goals that I made myself this year was to scrapbook more, and I did not keep up with it as much as I've wanted to. But one thing that I've really been scrapbooking and actually looking forward to it so much is scrapbooking my travel adventures. I've scrapbooked my Puerto Rico, my Dominican Republic, the cruise that I went on, which I also shared with you that you can go out and check out. And now I'm scrapbooking my New York autumn adventures. I feel like if the longer you wait to scrapbook, the less you want to do it and the less that you find time and you feel excited to do it, which is why I just wanted to do it as soon as I got back. I am actually using the In Your Dreams magazine, which I created for dream boards as well as scrapbooking. You can find it on Amazon. It is absolutely stunning and really helps to make your spread all very seamless because there are tons and tons of aesthetic, really beautiful pictures for each season and lifestyle. You can use these pictures as beautiful additions to your scrapbook spread. I love keeping like any little receipts, plane tickets, just little items like that I can use in my scrapbook. So it's kind of like junk journaling, also memory keeping, just everything mixed up in one. This has been giving me so much enjoyment, honestly, and I literally lose track of time as I'm creating my beautiful spreads. I really think that if you have not given scrapbooking a try, that you should, because you are going to love it so much and it's something that you will always have. I know that we have our pictures on our phone and digital devices, but there is just something about having it on paper. I love the nostalgia and I think that this makes for a beautiful keepsake. I also picked out this autumn themed scrapbook paper. It was so pretty with all of the gold foil details. I have so much history at Michael's. I love Michael's. It's where my planner and planning obsession started. So it was just so wonderful to visit again. And I also picked up another little sticker book that you will see that I'll be using soon to add some little floral details to my spread.
You've been throwing vibes my way. Already know you ain't gotta say it. Never try to hide it. How could you deny it? Every time I see you be on the same old thing. Touchy-feely ain't no shame. Checking for me way before you knew my name. But when I try to lean, you go MIA. No, I'm not crazy, babe. Chemistry is so insane. Why you playing games? You know it's so obvious to see that you want me. What's the hold up? I got places to go, I got people to see, I got things to do. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot wide open? Better make a move. TikTok, what's the motion? You already know I'm out here doing me, I'm not waiting around. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot wide open? Better make a move. TikTok, what's the motion? What is the motion, babe? Are you gonna swing my way? You see me shining, I'm on my grind, so I don't got time to wait. I'm all on your timeline, got you tuned in like it's prime time. Zoom in, got you focused. Bet you thought I didn't notice. You be out here lurking, be more assertive. All of this flirting, maybe this could work if you weren't so nervous. Just say the word and maybe we can.
Let me know if you want to see scrapbooking type videos. I can definitely do a tutorial. I do actually have a few on my channel that you can check out, but I can do an updated one. So yeah, let me know if that is something that you'll be interested in seeing.
Maybe we can turn it all around, see what it's about. No, I'm not crazy, babe. Chemistry is so insane. Why you playing games? You know it's so obvious to see that you want me. What's the hold up? I got places to go, I got people to see, got things to do. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot on my own? Better make a move.
this is going to be the most random thing, but I had to include it in my cozy fall vlog because I have to include my cats. And I got the cutest little cat couch. How freaking cute is this? I am gonna decorate it with you so you can see how it looks, and oh my gosh, this is so cute. It actually matches my couch, like you probably could tell. They had like pink in it, but as much as I love the pink, I just wanted it to look like a cute little furniture set up. Let's go set it up and make it a cozy little nook for my cats. Oh my goodness, how cute is this couch? I literally can't stop obsessing over it. I also put this leaf garland which can light up, which I thought was a cute little touch, and then I had a Hey Pumpkin pillow and this little Sherpa pumpkin that I added. I feel like if these were the perfect additions to the couch, honestly, it is so cute. And my cats, they are loving it. They don't let me see when they're in it though. I kind of have to sneak up and catch them. I will have the exact one linked in down below. You can get it on Amazon and they do have different colors in it. Trust me, your cat is going to be obsessed with this, and I definitely do plan on decorating it for each season. I think it will look so cute. And right now I'm truly thinking about getting a cute little mini tree to put next to it. I know you guys, I'm obsessed. I have been having so much fun uploading to YouTube. It is one of my favorite things to do. And to everyone who watches my videos, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like these, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.